All right, we crossed over.
Pet safety for EVR.
This is a pet safety? Are you for real? It says Campbell.
It's wrapped around in a mummy.
It's wrapped around like a mummy? That's silly. That's weird. We just came from over there. Now he's going over there. More action. More action and suspense. More action and suspense. He thought there were different kind of buttons over here, but they're Campbell. It is chilly.
There's
Woo!
the monkey guy.
All right, let's go. Hold on, look, car's coming. Car's coming. Okay, go. Woo! We have to make a decision. Hey. All right, are we done? Or are you gonna go back and see that one? I guess we're done.